Okay, you're right. This bit here at the top of the pubic mound can be the most strongest part of the hair. So it's thick, it's normally coarse, and it can be very, very stubborn. So what I would suggest, if they've definitely been shaving and the hair's really long, because it's quite normal to find people get a little whippy effect where it swells here at the top, pull it out and trim it. First thing to do is get rid of any excess hair that you don't actually need. The thicker it is there and the longer it is there, it's more likely to get matted on that top line when you stop your wax on that labia strip. Second thing you can do is lay your wax a little bit thicker. So when you go to apply, you would want to be nice and firm and push it into all of them hairs first of all. But if I was to leave it like that and I felt like as if actually, hang on a minute, there's not much support there, then I'd go back in once I'm happy with the bits that are in the hair and layer it just that little bit thicker to give me some strength behind my strip. By doing that, it's just giving me some more support, so when I go to pull it off, I feel like it's gripped onto all them hairs really well. It's really important once you have applied your wax in this area, hot wax isn't left too long. Once you leave it too long and you've left it too much to cool, it can actually become brittle and snap. So it's going to snap at the point where there's most grip bouncing back, and that's on that little bit here at the top of the labia because the hair's the thickest point there. So you want to make sure you leave it at the right amount. Spray it with a little bit of your pre-wax cleanser, like a mist, just to help it set. And then once it's fully set, then you're ready to go. I would go when you know that it feels nice and hard, there's no warmth in it left, and pull it straight up. If you feel like it's a bit tacky still when you go to pull it, it will become like chewing gum and it will also pull and tug here and break. So you'll end up with hair that's caught in wax at the top also. Once you're happy that it's set, you want to get your handle, stretch that skin nice and tight. The more it's supported and stretched, the easier it will get the grip when you go to pull, and it will keep it more comfortable for your client. But also make sure you exaggerate that pull. So when I say handle, quick pull, the reason I say quick is because we want to get it off nice and firm, but we want to exaggerate our pull beyond wherever that strip goes, because it will stop it. If you hesitate and think you've pulled enough, it will dangle here attached to the last few hairs where there wasn't enough support. So stretch, handle, quick pull. Make sure it's quick, hand placement after, because if you're not quick, it will get left dangling on the bit that you don't want it to be. Inside of the labia lips. So when we go to apply the wax to remove on the front of the labia on step 3 and 4, that's removed, leaving us just the smallest amount of hair that's running inside here. So we don't need to worry about it being too painful. We just want to make sure that we open and stretch at the top of the labia. So here we're going to use our thumb and our finger to pull and stretch open. While we're doing this, we're obviously going to apply the wax down in the direction of the hair growth on either side. We do that one step at a time so it doesn't get stuck together, using your finger or your spatula to move.